guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. So yeah, it's been kind of a while since I've uploaded. I've just been super busy with work and whatnot.
I'm a little busy at the moment!
But I cannot believe it. Fall is pretty much in full swing. And the end of the year is fast approaching, which is always crazy to me. But anyhow, I wanted to show you a quick and simple way to transition your makeup into fall by creating and showing you guys how I created this warm and toasty look. And I actually created it using my pumpkin spice palette. Not the new one, actually the original one. I realized ever since I bought the original one, I probably used it max one time and just forgot about it. But there are actually some really good combinations in there for you to create various warm and toasty looks. So wanted to share that with you guys, and also just wanted to share with you guys some different items that inspired me to go ahead and create this look today. One of which is a super cute top. I'm going to pop it up here. No surprise, it is from one of my favorite stores, Loft, and I just think it screams fall. I love orange in general as a color. I think it's super vibrant and it's definitely in theme with fall. Additionally, I want to share with you guys my new friend. So let me pop it up here. So cute. I want to know if any of you guys are also obsessed with Squishmallows, but this one is named Delindy, and it's of course a pumpkin spice latte, which is one of my favorite fall drinks. I have to have it at least a couple of times while they still offer it.
Oh my god!
At Starbucks. Yeah, I want to share with you my super cute, squishy new friend. Yeah. Oh, and last thing is, want to share with you guys, it's probably really hard to see, but these are really cute earrings and they're actually candy corn. So yeah, I'm pretty much decked from head to toe and makeup wise, very fall today. So that's exciting. So yeah, if you guys want to see how to quickly and easily transition your look into fall, then stick around and watch this tutorial. Okay, so the first step you want to do is you want to go ahead and prep and prime your face, which I have already done so. I actually started adding an additional step in the whole routine. So during Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty, I kind of went ham, bought a lot of things, one of which is the Clinique Even Better All Over Concealer. So I've been adding that into the routine and just concealing any blemishes I have on my face, and so far it's been working out pretty well. Let me know if you want to see all the things I splurged and bought during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. But yeah, next I am going to go ahead and take an angled brush. I'm going to go in with Warm and Cozy from the Pumpkin Spice palette, and I'm going to sketch out the angle that I'm going to be placing the tape today. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and place the tape. So, I'm going to first go in with a foundational base shade. So I'm going to go in with this really pretty apricot shade, Fall for it, and I'm going to dust that all over my lid. I am going to go in with my brush, and I'm going to go in with Ginger Spice, this orange shade, concentrate that on the outer edges, and this is just going to add some depth to the look. then I'm going to go over that with Warm and Cozy. And again, just concentrate on the outer edges and focus on smoking out the look and creating some more depth. So now for the inner corners to half of the lid, I'm actually going to go with Pumpkin Spice. Just like a lot of really pretty fall colors in here. And now for the fun part, I'm going to go in with my finger. I'm going to go in with Fall Vibes and kind of top that off in the inner corners to half of the lid space to add some shimmer. And now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner and just draw an extended wing. So I'm going to go in with my Clinique, pretty easy with the lighting pen. I'm going to go ahead and take off the tape, and then I'm going to go ahead and fix the wings a bit, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back, guys. Now I'm going to go ahead and bring some of those shades to the lower lash line. So I'm going to go back in with my Pumpkin Spice palette, go in with Ginger Spice, and apply that to the lower lash line. I'm going to go in with Warm and Cozy. Same thing, apply it to the lower lash line. And then I'm going to dip into whipped cream to highlight the inner corners as well as my brow bone. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop on my glossy. So I'm using my Idole Natural Lashes, which is kind of like my go-to. I'm also going to go in with my MAC eye pencil and Teddy and just line the lower lash line to add a bit more depth. I'm also going to go ahead and apply some mascara. So I'm using my Lancome Lash Idole, by the way, which I'm actually really loving recently. I feel like it really gives my lashes a much needed lift. Now I am pretty much like in the home stretch of this look, pretty much nearly done. I'm just going to go ahead and dust on some blush using the Too Faced Sweetheart Perfect Blush Blush. Dust on some highlighter. And then for the lips, I actually have this super perfect combo I've been doing, especially for fall, which is taking my Too Faced lipstick and Sweet Maple, and then layering my Lancome lip gloss over it. Official, guys, just call me the next Kylie Jenner. Just kidding. But yeah, so this is the finished look. I think it's just a nice warm and toasty transition into fall. And if you did splurge and buy the Pumpkin Spice palette a while back, it is a good time to take it out again, experiment with the combinations of colors, as well as if you went ahead and bought the new one. I think it would be a great palette to use to create a warm and toasty look. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, get inspired, and stay tuned for more content from me. Thanks for watching. Bye!